हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेब मेंटर मैजिक। इस वीडियो में मैं CS610 कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स फाइनल टर्म की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करूंगा जो आपके पेपर को सॉल्व करने में मददगार होंगे। साथ ही मैं कुछ यूज़फुल टिप्स भी दूंगा जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले ज़रूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस रेगुलरली मिलती रहें। चलन बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. Inside a computer, each address mask is stored as a 10 bit value. Options: a 48p, altmush.c, 16 tedi, 32 correct. Answer: D, 32. Question 2. The protocol address of the next hop must be to an equivalent hardware address before a packet can be sent. Options: a encrypted B, decrypted C, translated D, segmented. Correct answer: C, translated. Question 3. TCP/IP defines the term to refer to any computer system that connects to a network and runs applications for users. Options: a router, B, host computer, C, bridge D, switch. Correct answer: B, host computer. Question 4. Protocols of the TCP/IP layering model specify how to ensure reliable transfer. Options: a physical layer, B, network interface, layer C, internet layer D, transport layer. Correct. Answer: D, transport layer. Question 5. Protocols of the TCP/IP layering model specify how to organize data and how a computer transmits frames over a network. Options: a session B, network interface, layer C, internet layer D, transport layer. Correct. Answer: B, network interface layer. Question 6. Are two standard implementation to improve computational efficiency? Options: a hashing and direct indexing, B, segmentation and fragmentation, circuit queuing and packetizing, indexing and framing. Correct answer: A, hashing and direct indexing. Question 7 of TCP/IP protocol suite defines the basic characteristics of network hardware. Options: a physical layer, B, data link layer, C, internet layer, D, transport layer. Correct. Answer: A, physical layer. Question 8. Dotted decimal represents each octet in underscore and uses a dot to separate octets. Options: a binary B, decimal C, hexadecimal D. Octal. Correct. Answer: B, decimal. Question 9. If the IP address identifies the physical network to which the computer is attached. Options: a prefix B, suffix C, mux D, idemu. Correct answer: A, prefix. Question 10. Mapping between a protocol address and a hardware address is called. Options: a fragmentation B, segmentation, C, address resolution, D, hashing. Correct. Answer: C, address resolution. Question 11. Protocols of the TCP/IP layering model specify how to organize data into frames and how a computer transmits frames over a network. Options: a internet layer B, network interface layer C, transport layer D. Session. Correct. Answer: B, network interface layer. Question 12. In closed form computation, the protocol address assigned to a computer is chosen carefully so that the computer's hardware address can be computed using basic its operations. Options: A, arithmetic B, XOR C, shifter, Boolean, and correct answer D, Boolean and. Question 13. As the internet grew, the original classful addressing scheme became a limitation. The IP address space was being exhausted because all networks had to choose one of 10 possible sizes. Options: a 3B, 2C, 4D, 5 correct. Answer: A, 3. Question 14. Dotted decimal notation is a syntactic form the IP software uses to express sparse binary values when interacting with humans. Options: a 8-bit P, 16-bit C, 32-bit T, 64-bit. Correct answer: C, 32-bit. Question 15. In the IP address, the underscore identifies an individual computer on the network. Options: a prefix P, suffix C, MOOC T, demo. Correct answer: P, suffix. और आज के दौर में सिर्फ तालीम हासिल करना काफ़ी नहीं है, बल्कि स्किल सीखना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तालीम हमें सोचने और समझने की सलाहियत देती है, जबकि स्किल्स हमें प्रैक्टिकल ज़िंदगी के मसाइल हल करने और अपने मकासद हासिल करने का तरीका सिखाती हैं। अगर आप अपने करियर को नए होराइजन्स तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो इस फैसले को आज ही अपनाएं। 40 प्लस प्रीमियम कोर्सेज इन वन पैकेज। क्रिप्टो मास्टरी बाय वकड़ जका, SEO by Tanveer Nandla, Amazon VA and Dropshipping by Shahid Anwar, Graphic Designing 300 gigabytes plus resources, Ethical Hacking and Mobile Hacking, Web Development, HTML, CSS, JS, Python and more, Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork, Animation, Game and App Development, Forex Trading, Blogging and Digital Marketing और बहुत कुछ. Original price $300 plus offer. प्राइस सिर्फ 499 रुपीस। स्किल सीखो और पैसे कमाओ। अभी रब्ता करें 030447521616। Question 16. A separated table is used for each physical network. Options: a bit binding B, checksum C. Address binding D, CRC. Correct answer: C, address binding. Question 17. Of the TCP/IP protocol, Suite specifies the format of packets sent across the internet, as well as the mechanisms used to forward packets. Options: a physical layer B data link, layer C, internet layer D, transport layer. Correct answer: C, internet layer. Question 1. The IP class scheme does not divide the address space into equal size classes, and the classes do not contain the same number of networks. Options: a 16-bit P, 32-bit C, 48-bit T, 64-bit. Correct answer: P, 32-bit. Question 2. Of the TCP/IP protocol suite defines the basic characteristics of network hardware. Options: a physical layer, B data link layer, C internet layer, D transport layer. Correct answer: A, physical layer. Question 3. The protocol address of the next hop must be to an equivalent hardware address before a packet can be sent. Options: encrypted B, decrypted C, translated T, segmented. Correct answer: C, translated. Question 4. Address resolution protocol is mostly used to bind a 32-bit IP address to a DOS Ethernet address. Options: a 16-bit B, 48-bit C, 64-bit T, 128-bit. Correct answer: B, 48-bit. Question 5. TCP/IP defines the term to refer to any computer system that connects to a network and runs applications for users. Options: a router, P, host computer, C, bridge, D, switch. Correct answer: P, host computer. Question 6. Are two standard implementations to improve computational efficiency. Options: a hashing and direct indexing, P, segmentation and fragmentation, circuit queuing and packetizing, indexing and framing. Correct answer: A, hashing and direct indexing.